Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Me and my friend would like to present about pharmaceutical company in Muka, which is Pharmacy Setiraja Muka. Next. Pharmacy Setiraja is the most common type of pharmacy, also known as retail pharmacy, which allow the public to have access to their medicines and health advice. The healthcare facilities is responsible for provide a specific community group or region with pharmaceutical service. This company, located in Muka, Sarawak. After that, this pharmacy also offer personalized guidance and health and medicine. Next. For market segmentation, we have four market segment, which is first is demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation divides the market by taking into account different demographic variables such as age, gender, and social class. This allows the company to segment the market into many categories, each having a common variable, and to increase the organization result by targeting each of this group. Second is psychographic segmentation. Customer offers us a range of questions about their lifestyle and then group on the basis of the similarity of their replies. Next, behavioral segmentation. Some customers, for instance, brand loyal, even though a rival one is on offer, they choose to stick with their favorite brand. Lastly is geographical segmentation. Basis of language, climate, and lifestyle, regional segmentation divided the market into separate geographical units. Next. For best analysis, which is include politics, economic factors, social factors, and technology factors. For politics factors, the politics of Setiraja Pharmacy Muka climate seems to favor the pharmaceutical industry and broadly promotes the introduction of new drugs and global MNCs for the well-being of people. For economic factors, Setiraja Pharmacy Muka reducing people's disposable income has a direct effect on a nation like Malaysia, as the people of the country typically use model of health insurance as the model that needs payment for part. Next is social factors, which is the number of aging individuals is increasing at a faster pace, so the possibilities and the risks are increasing. Lastly, for technology factors, which is in advancement in technology, the company prospects have been improved by the implementation of various clinical systems as well as the provision of facilities that the company has used the internet platform to market produce and care process directly to patient and to induce direct contact with patient and patient family members. Next. Next, for SWOT analysis for Pharmacy Setiraja Muka. Firstly is strength. This company has trained and work experienced workers. Training workers in pharmacy should have educational qualification in a physical science, discipline, or demonstrable work experience in any pharmacy. Second is the location. Being in the right location is the key ingredient in our business success. Choosing the optimal location for Pharmacy Setiraja Muka by identifying company needs and objectives and searching for location with offering that are compatible with this need and objective. Next is the weakness. Every company have their own weakness. Pharmacy Setiraja Muka is lack on the employees' resources. This pharmacy only have 3 workers. It can harm the development of individual workers and also the evolution of the business itself. For the opportunities of Pharmacy Setiraja Muka is the constant growth of the number of people taking medication. With a significant increase in demand medicine due to COVID-19, many people have a panic buying over-counter painkiller in response to the lockdown. This putting the opportunities to the pharmacy and raising the profit. Next opportunities is good presence in community and also social media. One of the most important ways to boost customer loyalty is by building a community. Lastly, the threat for pharmacies to Raja Muka is starting material cost rises. Business performance is being put under significant pressure by rising raw material prices and reduced availability. Second threat is increased competitor pharmaceutical in that areas. So the pharmaceutical must know some primary element that business need to consider when designing a new product to attract the customer. So that's all from me. I will pass for the next presenter.
The next part is for the brands, cooperative, and positioning. The brands that we choose is Stiraja Pharmacy in Muka Sarawak. Stiraja Pharmacy is the most common type of pharmacy, also known as retail pharmacy, which allow the public to have access to their medicine and health advice. To ensure that treatment goals are accomplished and that drug-related issues are detected, addressed, and avoided, they collaborate with other healthcare practitioners, which is Stiraja Pharmacy have comparative with Team Pharmacy, iCare Pharmacy, and PNG Pharmacy. For the next is methodology description. The methodology approach is that we use is Google Form. We have made a descriptive analysis for collecting the data, which is we have questionnaire on section A, which is to know which pharmacy do respondent prefer more and to know how many times respondent purchase medicine. For the section B, we analyze questions include price, value perception, performance or quality, and design. For respondent summary, we have collect a data for 40 respondents that we collect in Muka Sarawak for the respondent, and we have gender, age, highest education level, employment status, and monthly income. Next, for the questionnaire sample, which is section A, comparative positioning analysis, we have which pharmacy that respondent prefer more and how many times they purchase the medicine. For the next is section B on consumer preference toward pharmacy. We have 10 questions for respondent, and on attribute is under price, value perception, performance, and design. The spider web show the consumer preference toward pharmacy. The spider web show the most favorable pharmacy is iCare Pharmacy, and through our collecting data that we choose Stiraja Pharmacy is the second favorable pharmacy on our collecting data survey. Next is the result for the finding that we have collect that show the average of the respondent on four pharmacy, which is Stiraja Pharmacy, Team Pharmacy, iCare Pharmacy, and PNG Pharmacy. For the average show the highest average is iCare Pharmacy, and the lowest average is PNG Pharmacy. On the spider web that show the Stiraja Pharmacy show the highest is on the design of the pharmacy. So in the future, the Seraja pharmacy need to increase their price and their value perception for increasing their company. That's all from us. Thank you.